Well, Alan, we've been talking a lot the past few days about how much snow the mountains are getting this week with those storms we saw. So Alan's here to give us a breakdown of this week's ski report, and it seems like they got quite a bit.
Brett, they got so much. I had to update the numbers. So if you tuned in at 5, I hadn't accounted for the last day of snow, which was Thursday. So these are updated numbers from the storm cycle over the past week. Crested Butte, 42 inches. Imagine the powder stashes you'll still be able to find this weekend there. Copper seeing over 3 feet of snow. Vail over 3 feet of snow. Aspen snowmass coming in right on that 3-foot mark, with Monarch just shy of 30 inches and Breckenridge with a storm total of 27 inches. Now this morning things are nice and quiet in the high country. It looks absolutely beautiful at the base area of Monarch. And once those lifts start spinning, the groomers are going to be in primo shape. And again, you're still going to find plenty of pow-pow to play with in the trees on a day like today. I want to show you some of the other scaries. This is the basic Keystone. Looks dark up there in Summit County as we're about 45 minutes away from this morning's sunrise. But look how snowy things look out of Wolf Creek, where they also picked up several feet of snow over the past 3 to 5 days. All right, let's show you that weekend ski forecast here, brought to you by Monarch Mountain. Up at Monarch, we'll see clear skies through the weekend with temperatures only warming in the 20s. But getting warmer each afternoon. So layers are going to be a good call throughout the weekend. If you're heading up to find some powder stashes at Vail, we'll be in the upper 20s as we make our way towards Saturday and Sunday. Mostly clear skies and light winds all weekend long. So a powder chaser's delight. But as we look ahead at the forecast for snow into early to middle parts of next week, you can see on that powder outlook page, no snow expected for the high country as we look to settle into a dry stretch of weather that could last even as long as the end of next week.